What's the meaning of ciné-vérité? Ciné-vérité. Ciné-vérité.
Ciné-vérité. Ciné-vérité. Cinéma vérité is a French film movement that emerged in the 1960s, characterized by its use of handheld cameras, natural lighting, and unscripted performances. The goal was to capture reality as it happened, without interference from the filmmaker, and to allow the audience to experience events as they unfolded. This technique often resulted in raw, gritty films that portrayed people and situations in an honest and unvarnished way. Cinéma vérité was influential in the development of documentary filmmaking, and its legacy can still be seen in contemporary works that seek to explore the human condition through unfiltered observation.